In this video, we will show you how to install an EGGER 25mm or 38mm worktop and talk you through the items in the EGGER Worktops Installation Kit for 25mm and 38mm worktops. A 20-gram tube of EGGER seal with applicator and scraper, 3 easy bolts, 3 jointing biscuits. Before you start, you need to check you have the right equipment. EGGER worktop jig and pegs, biscuit jointer, a router with minimum 1600 watts capability, a 30mm guide bush, 12.7mm router cutter with 50mm cut length, quick release clamps, EGGER Worktops Installation Kit for 25mm and 38mm worktops. Mitre the worktop and cut biscuit and bolt slots ready for installation. Compliance with all safety standards and regulations is essential when processing worktops. PPE and breathing protection must be worn if an adequate extraction system is not in place. EGGER Seal is a brand new colour-matched adhesive and sealant for EGGER worktop joints. EGGER Seal uses the latest generation high-performance toughened polymer technology. EGGER Seal is colour-matched to the worktop to give a seamless finish. It is an excellent gap or joint filler and it has very little shrinkage. EGGER Seal bonds quickly and easily. It does not pick up dirt like silicone, PU or other worktop joint adhesives. Open time is 10 to 15 minutes, allowing time to tighten and level the worktop. EGGER Seal is fast curing even at low temperatures, which means the worktop is ready to use in 15 hours. EGGER Seal is environmentally friendly and contains no solvents. EGGER Seal has a 12-month shelf life. If additional EGGER Seal is required, we also offer 290ml cartridges which can be purchased separately. Simply fix the applicator and apply a constant bead, leaving no gaps around one side of the worktop joint, making sure to include the front and back edges. Also apply to the biscuit slots before putting the biscuits in place. For 920mm worktops, start from the rear bolt slot and using the applicator to guide, apply a constant bead along the underside, up the back edge, along the top edge and round to the front bolt slot only, ensuring the front and back edges are sealed. Bring the joint together and tighten the easy bolts. Quickly remove the excess EGGER Seal with the scraper and use your finger on the front edge. Clean up any remaining EGGER Seal with a soft, dry, lint-free cloth. As you can see, the adhesive has matched perfectly, creating a seamless joint. The EGGER Worktops Installation Kit includes everything a fitter will need to install a 25mm or 38mm EGGER worktop. EGGER worktops have a 10-year guarantee when fitted using EGGER Seal adhesive and in conjunction with the fitting guide provided in the installation kit. For more information, visit our website